So today we're gonna look at how to create website using ChatGPT only. That's gonna be very simple. Takes a little bit of knowledge, but it's pretty easy. So we're gonna start with the prompt. You are the website designer. Please design website for plumbing and heating services, lakeside, truck, policy. Is the pictures of the team. Is their hours and location. Make it look professional and clean. Make the design responsive and modern and mobile friendly. So as you can see, it's generated. So now what we can do is we can copy all this code. We can copy it and we can insert it in some kind of HTML viewer, so you can see how that looks like. And this is going to be right here. Good. Now you insert it, and now you can see here is your basic website that has your header, services, about, contact info, that has your services, heating installation, repair, plumbing services, emergency services, about, contact us, and now we can play with it, right? So that's a website that's gonna work. You can upload it, simple design. But what I would like to do is to Google some competition. So let's say you happen to be in Vermont, let's say somewhere around Montpelier. So let's Google Montpelier, Vermont HVAC companies, and let's see who's got 5 stars. Cooper Mechanical, perfect. Let's see what is it they have on the website. Perfect. Look, very nice, very nice. So what we can do is we can take a screenshot of this whole website and we can feed it to ChatGPT and tell him to create a website similar to that. So we're going to install the screenshot, create a website, create my website similar to this competitor website, but make it unique and professionally looking. And now here is below info about the company, right? And now you insert basic info, for example, Lakeside HVAC, and here we go. Now it's rewriting your code, absolutely changing everything, making it look way better, way more professional, and way easier to read and understand for your customer. Alright, here we go. Now let's see if we can copy this code. Here's the button, you can copy it, go back into viewer, insert it, and here you go. Now you have it. Alright, professional plumbing, heating, and AC. See, perfect. It even gave you a little relevant picture right there. And here's your contact form, right? Request service, future services. Perfect. So now we can go ahead and make it. Let's see what else can we do. We can play with it a little bit, right? Make it with 5-star reviews. Let's see what is it we got right now. So now that we'll rewrite your code again. So as you can see, all you need to do is just to give it the right prompt, and that's writing the whole code for you. So this is very, very simple. And then you take the code and you insert it into the online viewer until you're happy, and change a couple more things. To see it's writing the 5-star reviews right there, and that's gonna be pretty cool. And now Monday to Friday, perfect. All right. Oh, well, it's continuing to write something else. Let's go. Perfect. Let's take a look now. Look, wow, nice. Now we have those reviews, right? So that's pretty good, but I want to change it up a little bit. Alright, so let's see if we can add 2 more of the services. Heating, AC, plumbing, emergency repair. Let's see if we can add. Okay. Let's see if you can make a screenshot like this. Pretty easy, right? And now you can go back to your ChatGPT and ask another question. So here's the make a total of 6 relevant services. Create relevant picture for each. And now you add change, nothing else. Just for now. And now they should rewrite again. It's going back to the code and crushing it. That's some good stuff right here. Oh. Oh, it's pretty slow, but it's doing it. It's going good. And I'm using GPT-4 all. Maybe that's why it's pretty slow. Maybe it's hoping for the more complicated tasks, and they give him just a simple website to write, and it's like, oh no, not challenging enough. All right, let's see. What do we got? What do we got? Well, it's working. All right, so the code is finished. Let's take a look now. Let's see if we can insert it now. Oh, look at this. This is nice. Now we started. Now we're talking. So now I want to switch it up a little bit again. We make a little screenshot like this. We go back, and I want this featured services to be first block and then contact form. We go back right here. We insert the screenshot and switch the form block to be after the services block. Change, nothing else. Alright. Okay, good. Let's go. Perfect. File upload, painting. Okay. Let's just not upload the file. Let's see if it'll understand me. I think it'll be alright. So interesting fact with AI, right? It does actually use a lot of your RAM. This is interesting. I've had a older laptop and they didn't really work good with AI, and this is good actually. My new computer is just a little bit more powerful, so that's good. So this making us a pretty good stuff right here. So what we can do is we can copy it all, then go here, insert it, and view it. Alright, so now that's much better, right? So what I would do, I would probably switch this section. Right, yeah, that's pretty good. which section on the screenshot below the header and a picture. Perfect. Let's go insert the picture. Let's go. Let's see if that will do a job, huh? I think it should be just fine. It does understand a lot of weird requests you can just throw into. It's very smart in that stuff. Your mistakes, they don't matter. Whatever you type it in, the thing will understand, which is pretty interesting. So, yeah. Let's see. Let's see. Alright, perfect. So we got that one done too. Alright. Let's copy it. Let's see. This is nice. Yep. Perfect. It did understand me absolutely with that. Alright. Well, it's fine. I can just tell them to add a relevant video loop background instead of header picture. Let's see if we can do that. Okay, so as you can see, customization is there, like wherever you can put in your fantasy. It's going to be very, very interesting. Let's see what it's gonna do now. So you got the idea, right? It's pretty easy stuff. Alright, perfect. That's done. We'll copy now and we'll go and look. Okay, so the video did not publish. Okay, let's see if we can make just a nice picture in the video. Replace the video background with a professional looking relevant picture. Wow. I think I broke it. Unknown error occurred. Wow. That's interesting. Okay. Yeah, let's see. So we can copy this one now. Let's look. Alright, well, that's not something too bad, but I really want to replace it with the picture. So I'm going to need to use a background. So let's see if we can copy this whole stuff here and then use it as a background. No, I want to use backgrounds like mountains. Alright, use this as a background. Perfect. So it did understood, and it's going to write the code again. it's done. Perfecto. Let's go and see. Alright, well, still no job too small for complex. Okay. Still don't have a picture. Alright, so let's see if we can do that now. Okay, let's Google the mountains of New Hampshire. Mount Washington, perfect. Let's go here, Mount Washington. Great picture. Now I will select it and then make it. Let's go now, okay. Use this picture for the website. I'm having some trouble here. Let's see if it's gonna understand it now. It's supposed to be a very simple job, right? Let's see. Was it done? Almost, right? Perfect. Alright, it's done. Let's go now. Still nothing, huh? Okay, I cannot change this picture. Why is that? Let's see if we can ask it. Right? I still don't see a background changed. Can you investigate what is the issue? Let's see. Still don't see background change. Can you skip? Issue background URL. Okay. PNG center cover no pic. This pad only works inside the ChatGPT environment, not on the live website or browser. Okay, why it's not working for you? Then you export a preview of the outside candidate says because that's a local system path, not a public image URL. Fix options. Host the image publisher. Okay, image or post images. You own the website images. Okay, let's see if we can do it right here. Right? Can we sign in? Perfect. Perfect. Alright. So you just have to do that, and that's okay. Alright, let's see. So we're gonna have to do this stuff for sure. Let's register then. That's easy enough, I think. Right, yeah, perfect. From extension to Chrome, yeah. So how do I do it here? Alright, so now we get this thing to work, right? So you just basically drop the picture, and here I'll show you how to do it, right? So it's pretty simple. You take this picture and you just drag it right here, and that's dragged, and here's your picture. This is your link, and now we'll go back into the GPT, feed the link, picture is loaded, fix the code. Let's see if it'll fix the code. Alright, so this is all done. So now we copy the code again. We'll go back into a viewer, insert it. What happened here? Alright, so something's not right. The tags, it's either not saved or I don't know. Something's not right here. Alright, let's go do it again. Tag. Just doesn't want to display the image. Huh. but I have an idea. So why don't we take this whole code, let's copy it, and let's go into Gemini. Let's go into Gemini, and then create new chat, take a look at this website code, and figure out how to add a background picture. Perfect, this is the code. Picture hosted here. Now we'll take the copy of the picture, we insert it, and then make sure the copy of the picture actually link works. Yes, it does work, right? So here's the picture, perfect. And let's go. Let's see if that will fix the problem. Alright, so now let's see the process behind it, right? Determine the provided image link is an album. I'm working to extract the root input. So here is the code. Let's see. This is going to be interesting, right? Body, alright. Image. Verify it out for the inside.